girl Ify Oyoyindoka, and you're welcome back to my kitchen. On today's episode, I'll be making a one pot chicken, which is going to be cilantro garlic lemon chicken. Let's get to it and see how Oyoyindoka made this amazingly delicious chicken. So guys, let's take all these beautiful flavorful ingredients to make one powerful delicious cilantro garlic lemon chicken. Remember, the flavor is cilantro lemon garlic chicken. Alright, so now I'm going to grate my garlic. I'm using 3 cloves of garlic today and a thumb of ginger. I just love the ginger flavor. Alright, so we are going to add it to the bowl, grate the ginger. So we add the ginger as well into our mixing bowl. So guys, we are going to zest the lemon. So now our zest is ready. We're going to add it as well into our mixing bowl. I'll be using 1 whole lemon for this recipe. Alright, so we're going to juice the lemon out. Alright, so we're now going to add the lemon juice inside. We're going to mix all our flavorful ingredients together. Remember, we have cilantro here, we have our garlic, our ginger, and now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we are going to add cayenne pepper and some chicken seasoning. Alright, so we are going to add our salt. So our black pepper, we'll be using half a teaspoon of black pepper. Alright, so having mixed everything together, we are going to dump it into the chicken thighs, and I'm going to use my hands to mix this together. So now we are going to cover this to marinate for 30 minutes. If you have 1 hour, yes, you can go ahead and do that. So guys, our pot is hot enough, and I just greased my pot with a tablespoon of olive oil. So we are going to sear the chicken to lock in all the flavors, and you need to start from the back. Alright, so guys, this is 5 minutes into our chicken. It's been searing for 5 minutes now, and you can see the skin is already looking golden brown. It has seared so nicely, so we are going to get it in the oven to bake until it's cooked. Chicken is well cooked. I love it. Absolutely gorgeous and very delicious. So I'm gonna plate it.